The story of the Velar started with the highest of ambition: to build a car of timeless beauty. Skilled specialists and the very latest technology would be needed to craft the Velar's striking shape.
Today we're cutting a full-size clay car with a 5-axis milling machine. 5-axis machine is very, very accurate. We can get to within 0.01 of a mil.
The drill bit follows a pre-programmed route, shaping the car with utmost precision.
Once we get the finished surface, it takes about 3 days, roughly. It'll end up looking like a real car.
But the final crafting is not a job for machines.
Yeah, that's looking pretty good. If we can try
Perceptions of what the Land Rover brand is about.